Hi all and welcome back to the cocktail vlog. So today I'm a little bit frustrated. So I've already shot this video once and I thought it was quite seamless and very informative. Get to the very end, do the tasting, pretty much finish the drink, polish it off, and then found out that I didn't actually hit record on the microphone. I've tasted it and it's delicious, so I'm looking forward to making it a second time, and you guys should make it at home too. So this particular one is a riff on The Last Word. The Last Word is a gin herbaceous drink that was first featured in the 1951 cocktail book Bottoms Up by Ted Saucier. I'll leave a link to the book in the description below. So the original recipe for The Last Word is equal parts of a gin, Green Chartreuse, Maraschino Liqueur and lime juice. I'll also leave a link to that particular cocktail video which I've done in the past up here somewhere. This riff is made by Simon Difford. The only variation is substituting the Irish whiskey for the gin and increasing it a little bit. So instead of equal parts, instead of 3/4 ounces or 22.5 mils, it's a full ounce. So let's get mixing and add 1 ounce, 30 mils to my Boston glass. And as I said, equal parts, 3/4 shot, 22.5 mils of your Green Chartreuse, 55%. It's got to be strong, boozy, add a lot of herbaceous notes. And same again for your Maraschino Liqueur, 22.5 mils, followed by fresh lime juice. Same again. Nice and easy cocktail. So add ice to your Boston glass and give it a quick shake. And strain into your chilled cocktail glass. You can use a stemmed glass, coupe, Nick and Nora, whatever you've got lying around at home. So there you have a Dublin Minstrel. Cheers. I wonder what it's going to taste like. Super tasty, quite potent. You get a lot of like citrusy lime oil on the nose. The fresh lime, the herbaceousness from the Green Chartreuse. I love a Last Word cocktail. So if you haven't tried one before, make sure to try this one, compare it to The Last Word, and leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.